Well, hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and what a special one this is. We are attempting a world record. So basically what it is we're trying to get as many people to camp in a bivvy bag on the same night. There's a Facebook group going around with just over 3,000 people on it. I don't know how many of those are actually attending or doing it, but as you can see, I'm here with Paul, the Wandering Monk.
Hey,
there he is. We got some special guests. We've got Tom from Tom Outdoors. Simon, the bloke in the woods, is going to make an appearance. Plus, I think about 10 other wild campers that are joining us on our camp, which is going to be brilliant. I've got my Rab survival bag, which is literally what we're doing in a bivvy bag. So basically there's no poles, no tent. You've just got to firm it and sleep under the stars. So this very lovely February day, it's very deceiving because it's probably going to be cold tonight. But we're walking up the beach to meet some lads. And I'll bring you back when we get there.
hey. Guinness World Record attempt. Woo!
2022.
2022, can't wait, mate. Yeah, it's stunning. Absolutely gorgeous.
We've made it. We've just met two of the guys, Andy, or Andrew, I don't know if he likes to be called Andy, I don't know yet, and Kelly. We'll introduce you to those very soon. But we found a little spot that we're going to camp tonight, having a beer, and we're going to wait for everyone else to arrive. We've got a few texts coming in saying people are sort of slowly arriving, so we should start seeing them soon. There's a really cool sort of fire pit area that Andrew and Kelly have sort of created for us, so we can all sit around there away from the bivvies. I don't know whether to set the bivvy up now
Yeah,
and put my bag on top,
mate,
or I mean, it's still only like 1 o'clock.
Yeah,
so we've still got a few hours yet. So it might be worth just waiting to see what everyone else wants to do, and then sort of go there and see from there. So, but yeah,
world record attempt.
this is a world record attempt 2022. Yes.
Brilliant.
We should have brought Guinness.
We should have brought a Guinness.
Oh, no way.
I missed out there.
Oh well.
Somebody bring a Guinness.
Right, sweet. Let's go have a look around and explore. Sweet. So, a few people have arrived, and I'm just going to go over and say hello to them. But as we're walking over, I'll show you this lovely, lovely view of the North Sea. Sun is shining, and it might get a little bit cold tonight, but we will see. But here is a few people that have arrived. So first of all, hello Tom.
Hello. All right.
Hello. And Kelly.
Hello, you alright?
And good. And Andrew.
Hello, mate. You all right?
And Simon.
Hello, mate.
And this is it so far, and obviously Paul, but you've seen him in the video already. But yeah, I think there's a few more people waiting for. Tom, do you know how many more people roughly? Another 5 or 6 maybe?
10's already there.
Yeah, they're coming back.
Ah, yeah, 2 guys we've already met.
We're waiting for about maybe 5 more.
5 more people, so good effort from us lot.
Yeah.
But yeah, cool. We'll bring you back when a few more people arrive and we've set up camp and got the fire going and whatnot. So we'll see you in a bit. Back again, and there's a few more people turned up. So I can't remember your names, guys. Sorry. Eric and Liz. Hello, Eric and Liz. These guys have kindly brought in lots of firewood, so thanks for that. Yeah, everyone's looking forward to it. There's a few other people around here. I'll go say hello to them. So we've got Mark over here. who's not yet been on my channel. So,
Please
hello
say
Mark.
Hello.
How we doing? Good.
Alright, cycled from Holland on Sea.
Did his bike's down there?
Mine's not electric, by the way. Just so you know that my pedals.
His is leg powered.
Yes. At 44. and
Good effort.
overweight.
Good effort.
Thank
And
you.
then I can't remember your name. Andy. There we go. Say hello, mate.
Hi.
Hello. These guys' channels obviously put on screen. He's ridden in. And is that a battery? Is yours powered?
Yeah, electric power, yeah.
Oh, he's cheated then.
Not too far. I've only
He's
come
cheated.
basically from no wind turbines up.
Oh yeah, not far at all.
Direct
But
from
still,
the turbines.
he still rode here. Both of them still rode here, so good effort. Right, we're all set up. This is my bivvy bag. I've put my bag on top temporarily so it doesn't blow away. Tom's at my foot end, right there. Mark's just abused us and then walked off.
Sorry about that.
Where are you? Over it? Oh, you're there, right there. Look, Mark's right
See,
there.
I blend in with
He
stuff.
blends in. He's got like camo looking stuff. Lovely jubbly. Look at that.
I wouldn't normally go.
Apart from the top, you wouldn't know he's there. Tom's there, filming his little bit. Lovely jubbly. And then Paul's over here.
This is just like a OEX.
What a good night. Look at that view behind us. Look at it. How good is that sunset? So I'll just talk you through what actual kit I've got with me today. So the bag itself is a RAB Survival Zone bag, which I actually bought off of Tom pretty much I think the first or second time I met him. I was like, oh my god, he's selling one of his kit, can I buy it? So yeah, I bought that. Inside there I have got my Climate Static V mat, great mat, really good for side sleepers. Nice and warm as well. Underneath that I've got a little inflatable mat that I actually got as a sample when I'm setting up Chair Outdoors. I got it as a sample from the manufacturers. So first time I've ever used it, so we'll give it a go. It hasn't got a brand, it's just off the shelf, one of those sort of things. And then I've got a sleeping bag. I don't actually know what sleeping bag it is. It was in my dad's house and it's a winter one, so that's what it is. And then inside there I've got an OEX thermal inner sleeping bag or sleeping bag liner. So that should give me another layer of warmth. I've got a couple of hand warmers and things I'm going to throw in there tonight, keep me warm. And of course I've got my Van Gogh pillow really comfy pillow, and that's pretty much it. So here it is, on top of a tarp that I've got, which isn't long enough, but that will do. So I'm literally sort of on the other side of this little mound here, and the sea's on the other side, overlooking this lovely view. But I'm going to go over now to the communal area that we've created, get the fire going, and then we can sort of sit around, chat and enjoy our night. So here goes world record attempt number 1. So I've come over to this communal area that we've created. We've got a lovely little windbreak up there. Who's that over there, Liz? Yes. Yeah, Liz over there. Eric's down here making the fire. He's doing a really good job as well. He's taking. Joined by Paul.
Hello.
Hello. And Simon, a bloke on the beach.
Hello.
So yeah, it looks like we're just gonna get the fire going, and I suppose we'll just chill out and enjoy our night.
Yeah.
That's what it's about. So, and then hopefully we're gonna nick a few coals off the bottom so we can cook our burgers on it, which should be nice. So we'll have a proper camp style dinner, nice burgers and bacon and whatnot. So sounds good. But yeah, we're just taking in this last bit of the sunset that's behind me there, and then as soon as that disappears, it'll be pitch black, I reckon, around here. So yeah, bit of photography and the sound of the waves, which is lovely. So I'll bring you back shortly. So just in case you was wondering how this world record attempt becomes a world record attempt or makes it legit, so what we've got to do is code has been released. We've got to hold up this code tonight and upload it to the Facebook group tonight so that it gets counted and approved. So I have filled mine out here. So the code there is fell asleep, Luke Tovey, camping on the beach, Guinness World Record attempt. So what we're going to do is take a photo now and upload it. So we've got on the menu tonight down here. Pulled a few coals out of the fire, which burnt my hand, burnt the glove I was wearing. We've got some burgers and some bacon on the go. Got a little bit of American processed cheese we're going to stick on top, and some buns. So they're not really sizzling at the minute, so we're going to sort of cook them low and slow and then munch down on those. Should be good. How's your burger, Tom?
Amazing. Cheers.
Let's have a look.
Cheese, bacon,
Ronald
ketchup.
McDonald, watch yourself.
Yeah, watch out.
Yum yum. Mmm. Thank you very much. Thank you. Look at that. Oh. Marshmallow, lovely jubbly. Thanks, Eric. Hello everybody, we're about to do a raffle. These are all the prizes.
Some of these. Cheers, Eric. Okay, we have. I bet it's someone.
It's Tom!
It's Andy, he's the ghost. And he's asleep. Ah! It's this Simon! Round of applause.
Hey!
There you go, right. You make a little prize.
What do I do? Just pick one?
Just pick whatever one you want. All random.
I'm gonna go.
The small one.
That is now.
If I open it. Shall I open it?
You're more than welcome to open it now, yeah.
Batteries.
Batteries as well.
Oh!
It's a little lantern and a torch.
Oh, wicked.
Basically, I used to have that, and I decided
You didn't want it?
so I donated it. So there you go.
There's a pump as well.
Now that's your lantern there.
Oh.
So you pull that out, and pull that out, then it's like a lantern, and then you close it and it's a torch on the end. And it's got a little hanging hook as well.
Can you put the batteries in as well?
Batteries as well, yeah.
Thought of everything, didn't
Go.
Eric
Eric.
G.
Eric,
Hey!
well done, mate. Congratulations. Right, pick one.
Oh, that's a great one.
Hey!
Going for one of Luke's. Chair. There we go. Some
10 pegs.
Chair outdoors.
a spork, and a gas stand.
And a
as
gas
well.
stand,
as well.
gas canister
Yeah,
stand,
well.
yeah.
Taking out the ones that people that actually didn't turn up, but well, they might turn up the 11th hour, you know.
Andrew G.
Andrew
Same with that,
G.
the situation.
It's a big X, wasn't it?
Oh, sleeping bag liner.
Sleeping bag
Well, that
liner.
might come in very good and handy today.
Yeah, I think it's like a sort of a summer one. It's like a cotton one, but is that Luke? Hey! Right, Luke, you go and chuck him on the fire as well.
Right, come on then, get on.
Slide it out.
The ultimate gift card.
Right, so it's a Go Outdoors gift card. Like they don't do their own gift cards; they do
Oh,
gift cards
they're
for
part
like.
of different companies.
Yeah.
Oh, nice
So,
one. Spud me, brother.
Spud you.
There we go. Thanks, mate.
Right. Well,
That's the one. I've got two here.
oh,
Sorry whoever that was.
let's see.
Mark,
Mark. Plus, it's quite difficult to draw a bivvy bag.
do you know what? I thought it was that from the shape of the bag. but-
Dry sacks.
Dry sacks,
I
yeah.
thought useful. Just basically, as modelled like one of these. It's another OEX sleeping bag liner.
You sure you're not sponsored by OX?
Yeah, that's one of Luke's gifts.
No worries.
You can purchase all of this stuff from chairoutdoors.co.uk, is it?
You can.
There you go. Shameless plug. Yeah. And a gas canister stand. Excellent. Well done, mate. Congratulations, everyone.
Hey!
Get drinking. Like, the guy's based not that far away. I was thinking of like maybe trying.
Right, that's us for the night, guys. Gonna hunker down in the sack, try and get a good night's sleep. It's about 11 o'clock now, so good enough time to go to bed. I'll see you in the morning. Morning. That's sunrise. I tell you what, one of the worst night's sleeps I've ever had. I don't even think I slept. It's freezing this morning. The lads feel the same. It's just, oh, it's just cold, windy, no sleep. We're literally going to throw the shit in a bag and go to McDonald's.
We are world record.
We are, well, we're
Not confirmed.
we could be. Yes, right, let's pack this campsite up.
I am so cold, I feel like I'm dancing.
Gather round. Gather round.
Shed lovely warmth.
Look, if the camera's shaking. Right, Andy's off. It's nice to meet you, mate. We'll see you soon on another one, no doubt. Right, I'll go show you around the other bivvies where everyone else slept. So, Mark and Andy slept here. Andy's already packed up. Morning, Solomon.
Morning.
How you doing?
I'm good. Did you sleep well?
No, no, I don't think I slept well. I had a headache all night. This looks like where Solomon stayed last night in his bivvy. Was an amp kit bivvy bag there, good stuff. And then somewhere around here, in another part, is Simon's stuff. Over here. Yeah. This is where Simon slept. He's got a Rab survival bivvy bag there. So That's everyone this end of the beach, past us. We're going to head up the other end and say good morning to the other guys. Morning Eric. Morning Liz. How did you sleep? I didn't. No. I had a headache for a long time. And it was one of those, I can't be bothered to get out of bed to get paracetamol and I just suffer it. And before you know it, the sun came up. So there we go. But there we go. Somewhere in these dunes is Andrew and Kelly. I think I can see them. Let's go and have a look. Morning guys! How you doing? How'd you sleep? Yeah, we did too. It was the best. You've got a wind tunnel.
It's just howling over us. I got up, got to the toilet, literally came back, she'd sat up, all my stuff was right away.
Oh no. But we've done it, that's the main thing. Yeah. We are, yeah. That's the best thing, yeah. Cool, well done. I'll see you in a minute. Right, we're off, Mark. Nice to meet you.
Alright, nice to see you too. It's been a pleasure.
Have a good ride home.
Yeah, thanks.
Enjoy it.
See the enthusiasm, mate. Yeah, thanks.
Right, see you later everyone. Nice to meet you all. No, we're going to McDonald's. So Paul's got to get back because he's going out with his son, but it's nice to meet you. Great camp everyone. Hopefully see you all again soon.
Hello guys.
Yeah. Lovely to meet you, Simon.
Yeah, you too, man.
Cool.
See you again another time, I'm sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely.
Get something sorted. Yeah, definitely. Righto. See you later.
I've got family duties, so
Yeah.
take the little man out. I promised him football today, so
nice
yeah,
one.
he's got to take the little man out.
That's it for another video. We've just pumped it back to the car because we've got places to be. So thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for everyone that came on the trip, and hopefully it means we're world record holders now. We just got to get the get everything verified. Thanks to Paul, Wandering Monk, check him out. Tom Outdoors, Simon, Bloke from the Woods, everyone else. I'll stick links to their channels below. But yeah, what a night. Didn't sleep. But there we go, that's part of the fun, isn't it? Onwards and homebound, for a shower and some lunch. Right, adios amigos, bye.
See you later.